Have you ever been irritated by wearing a big bulky headset or earplugs with a long dangling cord? If so, stay tuned. I have a solution for you. Thank you for watching Tech Unboxing Videos. I'm Gil Davis, and today we're going to be unboxing a JBL Clip 2 Bluetooth speaker. With that said, let's get inside, let's dive into it, let's start the unboxing process. Yay! Oh yeah, this is awesome. Alright, so we have a USB cord. And here are some pamphlets for instructions. And that is the JBL Clip 2 Bluetooth speaker. Alright, so let's look and talk about the features that it have on it. Alright, so if you look here, you'll see the icon where you can increase the volume. If you look at the one in the middle is an icon for a phone where you can actually take a call. And if you look at the one next to it, that is an icon to decrease the volume. And then on this side, this one right here is the power button. Then the flap on the, so here's a flap right here for the USB. And then there is a microphone icon. Alright, so if you look here, you'll see the auxiliary cord. The auxiliary cord is placed and latched and locked in here on the back. And it wraps around the entire speaker. If you look here, you have the clip. And you can clip the clip on the inside and clip it on the outside. Then you can hang it on your clothes, or you can hang it on a boat, hang it on a bicycle, whatever you can find that you can hang this on and test it out. You can use this on mainly outdoor activities, but you can also use it indoors as well. So let's go ahead and plug it up to my laptop. And let's give it a test. And let's power it on. Alright, so let's change songs. Let's try another song. Not bad at all. So imagine yourself wearing this on your belt loop, on your pants, on your sweatpants, on your shorts, or just taking a jog. What about shooting some hoops with this hanging on you? Not bad at all, right? Pretty cool. Alright, so what are your thoughts so far? Make sure you leave me some comments down in the bottom and let me know what you're thinking in terms of this JBL Clip 2 Bluetooth speaker. So there's going to be another part to this video. The second part will be, I'm going to go outside and I'm going to do some outdoor activities. I'm going to hang this on me. Then I'm also going to find places outside that I can actually hang this on also. And I'll come back and give you some feedback. But definitely I want to do some running, maybe run some bleachers. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'm definitely going to do some outdoor activities and have this hanging on me and provide some feedback in terms of the durability, if it stayed on me long, if I could still hear the music while I was running, while it was on me. So I definitely want to give you some feedback on that. With that said, stay tuned for part 2 of this video. So I'm going to grab the basketball, I'm going to shoot around a little bit. Alright, so let's talk. So far, it feels good. It's a nice, snug, tight fit. And so far it's been very motivational. It feels a lot better than having on bulky headphones and also a dangling wireless or wire headset or earplugs. So now let's try, I'm gonna try a few push-ups and some back arms. Alright, so follow me over here. And yes, I'm tired and exhausted, and I'm out of shape.
I don't know how to sleep, I gotta eat, stay on my toes. Got a lot of things, so logically, I pray on my foes.
So I'm gonna put these on.
As far as progress, should be hard pressed.
Just to protect my hands.
I gave you prophecy on my first joint, and you're all laid out. Didn't really appreciate it till the second one came out. So I stretched the game out, extra name out, the jigger on top.
Right now, and by the way, we're listening to some reggae. And this is my journey of getting back into shape at age 45. So for those of you that's out there that think that you're too old to get back into shape, that's not true. I'm just getting started, so let's go together, all right? I'm gonna do as speedy as I can. I want you guys to count for me, but I'm gonna pump myself up and get psyched up. Nothing else, here it goes. Now let's go, Gil. Come on, Gil. Oh, my arms are burning. Oh, they're burning. So the speaker is a really good one. This is awesome. I can't explain, I can't even mention how many times that it feels so good on me. It doesn't feel like it's irritating. It's definitely not any huge bulky headphones or any earplugs with a long dangling cord that every time I move my arms, I pull the headset or the earplugs out of my ear. So I'm gonna wait a second and then I'll come back and then I'll try some back arms while I have this on me. And pay attention, I'm on top of concrete and I'm not worried about it falling out. It's a nice snug fit. All right, I think I'm ready. I'm gonna go on this side so that you can see the Bluetooth speaker. The JBL Clip 2 Bluetooth speaker. Here it goes. Oh, it's tough. Oh, it burns. I don't know how many I did, but it felt good. Age 45, I'm getting back into shape, and I'm demonstrating how well the JBL Clip 2 Bluetooth speaker will stay on you while you're moving and dancing around and playing basketball, doing some outdoor activities. All right, take a look behind me. I'm gonna try to reach up to the bottom of the net and take this Bluetooth speaker, Clip 2 JBL, and I'm gonna hang it up there and see how well it stays up there and if I can actually reach to the bottom of the net. All right, so come with me. did it on the first try. So I could be out here dancing. You can do your favorite dance out here while you're listening to your music. You could be on that court. Follow me over here. You could be on this court, running a full court or a half court. Show the full court. All right, come back to me. So after running, while you're running the full court, you can have your music hanging here. It's protected. You don't have to worry about anyone stepping on it or knocking it over. It's there hanging until you get ready to leave before you remove it. Now here's the hard part. I had to reach and jump and stretch to get it up there. Now, I need you to cheer me on, and I want to hear your scream. I want to hear your cheer so that I can make sure that I get it down. Okay? Here we go. So your cheer worked. Thank you so much for screaming at home or wherever you are driving in your car. So now I'm going to take this, I'm going to clip it back on me. All right, part 2 of this tech unboxing video for the JBL Clip 2 Bluetooth speaker. Today has been a phenomenal day. I'm so excited. I'm actually on my journey of getting back into shape, and I'm glad you came on this journey with me today. I clipped it on the side of my sweatpants. It was a snug fit. I jumped around, I played a little basketball, I ran around, I also did some push-ups, I did some back arms, and it was still a snug fit. Remember, subscribe to the channel, turn on those bell notifications, like this video. Until next time,